Hi, today we will learn about AWS Comprehend. It is used for analyzing the text in real time using built-in AWS models or our own custom models. With built-in models, we can detect entities, key phrases, the language in which the text is provided, and detect the personal identifiable information and detect the sentiment of the text, and we can analyze the syntax of the text. With the help of custom models, we can detect the entities which we define and classify the documents and label the documents. We can have a little demo from AWS console. Like this is the sample text provided from the AWS. Here, like these are the entities. Like this is the person entity. It is able to detect the person, organization, date, location. Like it's highlighted in the text. If we go for key phrases, like it is identifying the key phrases and it is providing the confidence score for this. If we go for language, like it is able to detect the language like with the confidence score. Like if we go for personal identifiable information, like it is able to detect the name, credit card number, bank number, name, like it is able to read multiple names and email. Coming to sentiment, like it is able to detect the text is neutral and positive, like it's providing the confidence score. If we go for syntax, like it is able to identify all the parts of speech provided in the text. Here, like this is the API input and the response. If we provide these input, and we will get the response like this, like it provides the parts of speech. This is for syntax. If we click on pi, yeah, it is able to give you all the entities, like the type of the personal identifiable information, score, and like begin offset and end offsets. Not only this, like not only like single response, we can even have batch processing. Like if we go for analysis jobs, we can create job and we can choose the type of job. If we click on personal identifiable information, we can provide the input data, input format, and we can select the output data. It will read from input data and it will output the data here. This is all about AWS Comprehend. Thank you.